Alright, in this video we'll see how to install WinRAR on a PC so that we can extract those zip files, RAR files and any other files that your normal Windows 10 or Windows operating system cannot open up. So let's go here and we'll type download WinRAR. So click on this first link that you see, first website. I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, we can just click on, you can also click on this download WinRAR. Okay, now you can see that here we have this download. We'll click on this download option and we'll just go down, and here we have Windows 5 WinRAR 5.9.1 English 64-bit for Windows. Okay, so you have this different languages that you have WinRAR available in. If you have 32-bit operating system, you can just click on this 32-bit. I have 64-bit, so you just click on this. You can see there are different languages that WinRAR is available in. So we'll just click on this WinRAR 5.9.1 English 64-bit, and here you will see this option so called as download WinRAR, or you can just let's go back and you'll click here continue to download WinRAR. We don't have to buy it. I think the site's pretty slow because my internet connection is fine. Okay, it shows how to install WinRAR, how to get rid of this. Okay, so you can see that WinRAR download has been started here. Yeah, the site's pretty slow today, I guess. Okay, so now let's, yeah, you can see here that I've already downloaded it, so I'll just click on enter. Click on yes, and you can see the destination folder where WinRAR will be uninstalled. You don't have to pay for it, it's free. The site's working slow today, I guess, so that's why I cannot show you properly how to install WinRAR. Okay, so now click on install and it'll start installing. So it asks what kind of files you want to use. So it's RAR, zip, 7z, cap, ISO. You can also use ISO files, but ISO files don't open up because they're disk images. So let's leave it to default and click on OK. And that's it. WinRAR has been successfully installed into this folder and it's done. Let's click on done, and here now you can see that Windows WinRAR shortcuts appeared up here, and even if in the search bar we type out WinRAR, you can see that this app appears up here and we can also run it. Okay, so that's it. That's how to install WinRAR on your Windows 10 64-bit operating system.